Rain Talk by Mary Servoso, illustrated by Kiko Narhashi. Ploop go the first fat raindrops. Ploop, ploop, ploop into the soft summer dust of a country road. Each little drop digs a dark little hole, and the smell of wet dust tickles my nose. On the old tin roof of the garden shed, the drops all try to talk at once. Ping, ping, ping a ding, ping, 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 ping. And they chuckle together as they run down the drain. It's raining harder now. Listen to the plip, 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 plip as it speckles the smooth surface of the pond. To Mother Duck, that says, it's time to go for a swim. Out on the highway, the raindrops bounce high and whoosh and hiss as the cars hurry by. Headlights are coming on, reaching out to catch the silvery slants of rain. Now all I can hear is the boop, 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 boop of the rain thumping on my umbrella and dropping and dripping all around. Mother says it's time to come in the house, and the rain tries to come in too. Flick, flick, flicking itself like pebbles against the window panes. I'd rather stay outside. When I've had my supper and bath, I lie in front of the fire, and now and then the rain slips down the chimney to spit and sizzle on the logs. I'm getting very sleepy here. Tucked into my bed upstairs, I try to stay awake and listen to the drumatum, drumatum, drumatum on the roof above my head. But my eyes just won't stay open. Tomorrow I might find the rain all gone, with only a sparkle still caught in a spider web or a flower. But I'll look first for a rainbow. Hi, friends, it's Mrs. Weir. I hope you enjoyed our springtime story about rain and all the sounds the rain can make and what can happen when we have rain and sunshine together. Can anyone tell me what happens when we have rain and sunshine? You're right, it's a rainbow. So, when we talk about spring this week, we will learn about the rain, the sunshine, the flowers growing. You might learn about new baby farm animals. So, there's a lot that happens in springtime. It's a really great time of year. You might notice when you drive home from school or you walk home from school all of the pretty flowers on the trees. You might see pink or purple or yellow or white. Those are all signs of springtime. You might even have a nice big muddy puddle to jump in this week. We've had so much rain. Mrs. Weir has to stay home with my kids today because it is flooded where we go to school, and it is flooded here by our house in Cambridge. So I hope you all have stayed safe in all of this rain, but I want you all to make sure if it rains and you have sunshine, you go look for that pretty rainbow because it will be there. And don't forget to jump in some mud puddles. That's always a fun thing to do. I hope you all have a wonderful day at school today. I want you to click your listening ears on, and I want you to be really good listeners for Mrs. Feldner, Miss Ashley, and Miss Teresa. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next week. I cannot wait to be back with all of my friends.